Hi, friends! Look, I have my friends here with me tonight. Hi, say hi!
Hi!
Today I'm gonna unbox this special gift from my friends. It's a fire pit. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open this. It's always been my dream to have my own fire pit. Yes.
Hey, now you're abusing it. I think you gotta do it every 30 seconds to join.
I know.
You can always edit the video later.
Ooh, let me see if I'm strong enough.
It's like a soap, like a sitcom.
Hindi wala dahil ko ma-record ko. It is hard.
Jeremy's just sitting there, all those muscles.
Yeah, he's not helping.
Yeah.
He doesn't love me. Sound effect.
Okay.
It's gonna be more exciting than you guys decorating the Christmas tree video.
This way, you gotta open this way.
Malaki. Nabaligtad. Hindi open.
Yay! Not yet.
Okay, now let's put it down.
One.
Down.
Yep, you have to put it down.
Yeah.
Ouch! Sure?
Sana
Sana oil.
Oil.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Oh, rip into it.
Fire pit with grill, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Two grills.
Two grills. Wow! A huge button. Huge button.
Is it heavy?
Huh.
How did
Oh, some assembly required. Yeah, probably. Some assembly required. Oh. Yeah, some assembly required.
Oh, there's a box.
Wow, another grill.
that table? I think it's a table.
Oh,
See?
I think it makes it a table.
Sound effect. What na sound effect?
Naluya.
Will you have a so I'm good?
I should just record it. I should get my phone into it.
Oh.
Well, that is a lot of assembly
These
required.
are the legs. And these the legs.
Wow.
Hello?
Those are some serious.
Serious legs.
Oh, this one.
Oh,
Pangkat.
that's your poker stick.
Nice. This is the main part.
No, that's a swimming pool.
Wow, the swimming pool. Yoo-hoo!
What's
Sound
that?
effect.
Viking drum.
Gawa naman ang sound effect.
Naluya.
Ayan na.
Wala ka.
Okay. Because we can start fire here.
I got everything in there?
And the other one right there.
Oh, you
So
got
we can
another
put
one.
them here.
I don't think there's anything else. Oh, so it's got.
This is the smaller grill.
Yep.
Ano masabi ko?
Yeah.
Some of the parts. Thanks for watching, friends. Next time, gagawa ko ng video gamit itong new fire pit. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.